You are being tasked to transform herbal paste extract into granules by using the wet granulation method. Wet granulation is the process of binding different powder particles together using adhesives or liquid solution. This results in particle enlargement from powder to granules. There are different types of granulation processes. In this practical, we will be showing you the traditional wet granulation process called the low-shear granulation using the planetary mixer. Weigh out all excipients and active ingredient needed according to the Intra-Granulation formulation table in your worksheet. We have microcrystalline cellulose as the filler, sodium starch glycolate as the disintegrant, and lastly, the herbal paste as the active ingredient. Once weighing is done, add in all dry excipients into the mixing bowl. Turn on the planetary mixer at medium speed to ensure homogeneous mixing of the powders. Add the herbal paste into the powder mixture in small quantities. As the paste is very sticky, it is unlikely that it can be transferred completely from the weighing board. To ensure that there is minimal compounding loss in your formulation, add approximately 10 ml of distilled water into the weighing board. Mix the herbal paste with a spatula and pour in the diluted herbal paste into the planetary mixer. Continue granulating and check its consistency using the hand squeeze test method. Grab a handful of mixture on your hand. Squeeze the mixture to create a clump of the granulated mixture. Apply minimal force on the clump using your thumb. If the clump falls apart when force is applied, add in distilled water into the mixture. The distilled water acts as a liquid binder. Typically, the hand squeeze test should be performed after every 10 ml of liquid binder added. If the clump splits nicely into two, means you have achieved a good wet mass consistency. Next, run the wet granules through 2 mm sieve of the wet granulator machine for screening process. This ensures that the granules are of similar sizes. Once screening is done, spread the granules gently on the oven tray. Dry the granules in the oven for at least 12 hours at 60 degrees Celsius. Once dried overnight, check the moisture content of the dried granules. The results should be lesser than 5%. If the required results is not obtained, dry the granules again. Screen through the dried granules using 1 mm sieve. This is to narrow down the size distribution of the granules.